God been seeing this yet.
I love you like manga. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like manga. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's Alan Candy again with another video. I don't know why I always say that, but yes. So I'm not so excited because I miss me like, oh my god. Anyways, some updates. I did my nails for my grad pics and it is postponed. Yeah, my earth. So, but you don't know, so me to have them on and thing, you know. Them not talk because I have things to do as usual. I don't know, say work. Yeah. If you're wondering what time it is, it's about after 1, I think, or 2. 11 o'clock. Yes. So, I don't know, say I'm like every day and night. So, I'm not at that time. I think so. Yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to be telling you guys, maybe this is going to be like patois, but I don't know how my patois, but I have to chip in a little English and thing. But yeah, so I just do a video growing up in Jamaica. I feel like everybody have different experience, so I'm going to share my little experience. We don't know. Alright, so when I don't know, say it's a fact. I don't know say it that. Oh guys, oh my god, my forehead, Jesus. But don't want to come and move fire yes, so far big fried up buzz. Anyways, as my dear say. So if you see me I look down, I jot down something because everything now go click one time and I don't want to sit down and I think but one more say. Understand? So maybe this video is going to be long or I cut it short, have a part 2 or whatever. So just stay tuned. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe and watch the ads then because you know as I run video now. You ready? Yes sir. So now, first things first. When I don't know say Dan was a tomboy. Alright, so my band and grow the best place. I don't know what nobody else, but everybody who lives in Jamaica knows Spanish Town, the best of the best. Period. So born Spanish Town, grow Spanish Town, live Spanish Town. I'm not living for the rest of my life, but Spanish Town is the best place. Yes, so Spanish Town, Spain Town, badness. Like best people then go Spanish Town, period. I must say that fully part time, just I put emphasis on it. Yeah. So growing up I was a tomboy. I tell you this already, you know, I'm telling this already like nobody never reply me. So I see my father, him love. I don't know, him rough way up. So well, me not rough now, me not know how me not rough now, but yeah, him rough way up like him turn upside down. My father, my dad's like when him come from work, I'm talking from when I was small. When he come from work, he turn upside down and whole way. I don't know if I stretch him stretch way or what, but and him fling me up in the air and catch way. And me like when him did just start that, I never love it, right? But continuing every day when the man come. Fling up in the ear, fling up in the ear and laugh and them thing there. Yeah, me usually climb tree. I don't usually climb only for tree. The only tree I remember climbing is my granny tree, which was the ackee tree. I usually climb the ackee tree. That's the only tree I remember climbing. I don't climb tree and everything because my you see me, if I'm broke, well, I'm broke already still, but yeah. You know me the love do? I love ride bicycle. You see? I live in our family yard, right? One of my cousins them get a local bicycle. Anyways, as as I say, I love ride bicycle. So one of my cousins them know. Indicate I look up bicycle. I tell her say one look up in bicycle. If I go outside, me must see the bicycle parts, them and them thingy. One bicycle and I tell her say everybody ride after that. I'm gonna tell her say everybody ride after that. So I remember this particular time. If you hear dog and I hear. So I remember this particular time when of my cousins never live here, but him come here like I want summer and him wake up early and come run away and him call me and my brother and my cousin that I run a female now. So we he might teach you. I'm not thinking could I ride good them time, but him could I ride. So may I tell you say him depend the seat. And upon the bicycle seat. My brother, which was the smaller one, I think him did depend on the front part of the bicycle, and me and my cousin, they in the local part, and I tell her say it's a baby bicycle. I go search on the internet, I can find a baby bicycle will look like it, and put one picture right there. Like one baby bicycle, I tell her say, though him tall, you know, I tell her say him tall, like maybe maybe about 16, so you know, same tall, and the bicycle small, so people put them can do the rotation something on the bicycle, pedal the bicycle, right? So I tell her say the man just use him foot and I push we with the bicycle. So I tell her say the man I push you, yeah, whoa, yeah, but that the man push we. Not the man, my cousin. Him push you go up in there. Him push you go up in the wall, brother. I tell her say and push you off on the wall, and it was so fun that we jump off my bicycle. I would just get up back and continue pushing brother like it never come like nothing like me I tell you say we go right up on the wall and it will away drop because we did have a job. Even if nobody ever drop, we did have a job because the bicycle overload and we're big. And I look at bicycle, it will away a chat for him. I tell her say other bicycle that we use and learn how to ride till me and my brother, I think it was my birthday or it was a summer or Christmas. We both get bicycle. He gets a pink one, he gets a blue one, and plus because he did have a other bicycle when he do. So you know, so every day when me want to go shop. Because me want to ride on the road and like a one and this and that. Say no, we ride go shop and come back and anything them. Growing up in Jamaica, if you never do this, you don't know. I don't know about you, but me have to sing. When me did little, I have to sing a shop. It's not that, I don't know if I remember, but I just have to sing like, mother said I forgot buy pound of chicken back. Just pound of chicken back and pound of rice. I sing pound of chicken back, pound of rice. Well, and I think that's some singing, but like I skip gas shop and sing to the rhythm and go shop and buy the thing and come back. Remember this time, you know? Oh, I don't even remember this word. What if I remember just I think this was the first time my mother said me go shop. Well, I never shop. But I think it was a shop. Like, I think my cousin did sell bag juice. And maybe they tell us some more bag juice, but I was younger. So, I tell her some more bag juice. So, it's like she give me $100 or big money for buy bag juice. Big money and a little money. But she tell me to go buy bag juice. But it's like she sent me over my cousin, which like, it's not cross the road, but like the neighbor. So, go buy the bag juice. But I don't know where I'm from. I can't way down the road. Down a blue shop. Go buy a bag of bag juice. I go buy a bag of bag juice. You see now, I have them stuff here. It's full. I go buy a bag of bag juice like. And like when I did the shop, I come back up. I see people of my family, they look for me like my last brother. I mean, they say, come up with a bag of bag juice, like, I don't know, like, a bag of bag juice, they say, no, we go buy. But say, if food was a person, that would definitely be me. When I said, we go buy one bag juice, I'm going to buy a whole bag of bag juice. She laughed, you know, brother. She laughed, but it was serious, say, the man looked for me. Yeah, like when I was younger, I get I'm not gonna lie, I say beaten, but it is kind of used to that. Me get licked for learn. Me get beaten for know ABC, me get beaten for read. Like from I don't know from my born mother teach me, or maybe from me at 2 or them time. But me, my mom usually low. Like if me I say, Mommy, you can do the road here when me I talk about one, but that's when you come on to ABC and 1, 2, 3, ABC. My father usually tell me say, in can stay from him work or hear me when me I shout. So when me I say ABC, he wants to stay work and hear me. But me usually think him actually stay and work and hear me because I think him more loud. But him never did actually hear me, just stay at him and say, Mama, talk up loud, brother. I see me not talk up loud because I'm afraid. You see when the man go for the bell, he done this. And how I did fool, sometimes he send me for the bell, I'm go feel. Sometimes he send me for the belt, I'm gonna go feel with my full self. Anyways, that was then. In lick my full learn my ABC and timetable. And then I say every day I get lick. What I choke me? Me tell I say every day of the week. I get licked, brother. Sometimes mother have to beg for me, but she not beg for me like don't lick me, you know. But she a beg for me say I get too much lick, but me get licked regular. Well, not no, but when me did lick, every day me I get licked, man. Every single day. Usually play. But I know everybody's supposed to play this. Maybe uptown people and them. It's not uptown, but yeah. We play card game and domino and dandy shandy and hopscotch. As a regular people would I do. Spin off. Jesus. Wait, I'm going to talk about the look of hopscotch. Hopscotch is when you like, everyone picture it, so you know you jump 3 times. 1, 2, you throw your item, the object in the box them. So you have the box count, so you have 1, 2, 3 to 8 I think, and you're choosing them. So you have to choose them, you can't jump in the box until you take out your object. And if nobody else object in it, any box, nobody else object in it, you can't get that. So if somebody box in a 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to try jump in a 5, and the game fun. Everybody's supposed to know it's hopscotch fun. Dandy shandy fun, car. Dandy shandy name? But thinking name Dandy shandy are exciting where you have 2 people a fling and lick you. They might try out you. So I think them fling 2 times over. Remember what that name? Long time no play now. They fling it 2 times over and then them start fling and lick you and you have to sight and them thing them. And usually use box and them thing them. But that did fun. Even when I had the GSAT the day before, when I had the GSAT, and I had to fit me. Anyways, me had the GSAT when I do the day before GSAT, then tell us how to go study and then me. But well, I don't know if I study, honestly. Overall, I don't know if I study, but like me, I never go study. I'm going to play Danny Shandy. I'm going to the back of me yard. I wake up, I'm going to do the test. And yeah, I do good, like grade 2. Yeah, I do good. Go to the best high school in Jamaica. I mean, what else could I ask for? Anyways, so yeah, Danny Shandy, hopscotch, we play card game. You have street me, you have burn. Nobody, when I think about it, you have pass on donkey. Pass on donkey, I like when you have the same force something you drop it. But pass on donkey is a thieving game. Like, I don't know who play pass on donkey and know thief like looking at somebody and pass back. I think they're supposed to pass back on the same thing, but everybody just keep on a pass back on the same thing. So the game just continue. Burns, I feel like a lot of people play burns, like high school maybe, where a lot of gambling happen. Them play burns, but me usually play burns, but me and them red up. Yeah. So like when you lose it, when you lose the game, it's like them have the card and tell them to stop and you're supposed to guess if a art with diamond or club, and if you get it wrong and then keep on do it until them finally get thing red, you get act lick and something they get soft, but they know someone roll up them sleeve and I tell they say Burns nice. Yeah, we will ball. If I never play that, brother, your life sad. Everybody is supposed to. I don't know about one, but at my primary school, I got 2 primary schools. Swanson Primary and Belmont Primary. At my primary school, I think everybody primary school supposed to have this where teacher name them ruler and them thing them up. But I don't remember the name of my teacher ruler, maybe a flexi, but I feel like everybody teacher have this flexible ruler thing. Some teacher have board ruler. I don't know if pin still get licked now at school, but usually rude, you see me? Rude. But not rude, but rude. I usually find anything there. Yeah. Not really, I'm a new primary school, but more old primary school. Yeah, I usually find anything and get beaten no worry. But that really is. Me did kind of smart, so you know, you just polish spend off your money at the vendor them before you go in to school at morning time. Mother usually give me a whole heap of money for gas school, like for pay for lunch for the week and this and that. But me is smart. I pay for my brother lunch and anything. But me did smart. Because I love money and everything. So money if you know how to calculate up my thing and everything. So me never usually pay my teacher for the whole week. Me usually pay for the extra lesson so I can get the change. Give my brother teacher for the whole week and then me use my money on me. Why use it? Sometimes I'm not eating a lunch. Sometimes I'm not eating a lunch because I buy a sweetie after school and everything. But it's nice, like, I don't know, living in Jamaica, high school memory, primary school memory. Them things they're nice.
But when you look back at it, think back at it, you're big now, you know, when you look back at it, say, bomba, so many fool. But you actually never fool them time, but when you think back about it, you actually fool, you see me?
So, yeah, when they tell me for no one like a part 2, because I'm a bully part of thing. I don't know why I look found, I don't know why I look so. But I'm a bully part of thing, so I can tell them I'm a bully part story time, but like, I just don't know. Oh no. So, they just tell me, oh no, you see me? You see me? You see me? So, guys, when they just tell me. So guys, just tell me what you guys like. If you don't like the story time, if you don't like makeup videos, if you like the voiceovers, if you want me to do challenges, you just put them in the comment section. I don't know, say girl, I like comment, you want a girl like I like comment, man back at things. Yeah, even though I'm not ready. Yeah, but I'm getting back into this. Like my stars, I'm never post like my see me can get some videos off soon. Because I say I post 2 times a week and the week basically done. I'm gonna post nothing but. Yeah, I don't know why I talk so fast. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this little, little chit chat, little story time about my lower life. That's the word. No, like primary school, basic school, little picnic life. Yeah, I'm open to enjoy. I'm also to enjoy. Like, I'm not going to foolishness. I'm going to someone who watch and talk about. Just me, you can tell a friend. Yes, I tell a friend to come subscribe to my channel. Let's see me and by the thing grow and a bag of things, guys. Have a look at edges in them, but I don't really see it and everything there. But no go and make up on yourself and stay safe. Come now, so nice and clean and no bed. No good lay sleep right now, but me not sleep. Anyways, and that's it for this video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and watch the ads. So that's a 5 thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe, watch the ads. Period.
Bomba, nice. Add the rhythm. Select add the rhythm. Yo, Candice, oh, who that was a subscribe, oh, who that was Candice. Now, you let you know, even though they're not in the part there.